Okay, today we're going to talk about determining if it's a function by using a vertical line test. You can do this on graph paper, but we're going to use a graphing calculator to do it because I think it's a lot faster and easier if you do it. We got the first one here. Now you notice these are letters and not numbers. What can we do? We can represent these letters as numbers that are not equal to each other. So this could be 1, this could be 3, not 2, because 2's all the way over there. This could be 3, this could be 4, and this could be 5. And I'll show you how to enter in the graphing calculator and be able to have the calculator plot those points for you. So what we'll do is we gotta make sure the stat is on, which it is. Well, I'll show you how to get to it. Stat plot's on. Shift the second. Stat. There's plot 1, and you can see it's on because it says on right by it, and it tells you what lists you want to use, L1 and L2. So what we have to do is we have to enter them into the stat list. So we had to enter 1 for Y. Let's see, it said 1, Y could be represented for 1. It could be any number you want as long as they're not the same. Otherwise, it'll mess your results up if they are. 1, 3 for N. 4 for M. 5 for C. Hang on. Man, that's blurry because of the light in here. Anyway, now next we got Y, N, and C going to 2. So we have to enter for Y. That's the first one that goes to 2. For 2 in it. If it went to more than one of these, well, you have to enter in another one and then put in the same number with that point. N is 2, so 3 would be 2. 4 is M, and that's 7. That's the only one that goes to 7 on there. And C is 2. Now if you hit graph, there they are. And you can do the vertical line test where you take your pencil or something and go across the screen and see if the points ever touch more than one point then going across the screen. If it does, it's not a function. But this one here, you can see only one point goes across the pencil as it goes across the screen, so it's just, it is a function. If it wasn't, there'd be ones vertically lined up with each other, and that would fail. So the answer to this one right here, the top one just did, is yes. It's a function. Now we're going to do this next one down here. This one is, I decided to do both these types of ones since they're different, they look different, they might confuse you. But they're not, they're the same, they're just a different way of showing it. This one here uses numbers, not letters. They might use letters in these ones, so you have to do the same thing like you did with that one, put a different number for it. A letter represents a number. A unique number that each letter is not the same number, so you can do it. We have 5, 9. We'll just enter these in. I'm in the stat editor right now, the stat list. clear it out for a minute. Now we're going to put -5, -5, 9, -8. Okay, there's those on there. I go to the other side and put the Y values in. See, L1 be an X value and L2 be a Y value. 9, -5, 9, -5. See if I can zoom fit it. And I don't know, the zoom fit don't work all the time with these numbers. Well, there it is. And I think it's not, I think we have, yeah, we do. There's one set of points that goes across from each other. You can see right there, up and down. Right there, if you put your pencil across, you can see it crosses both of those points, so it's not linear, not a function. Or linear, depends on which way we say it is. So this one's no. Now on the final one, you know, the numbers, and this one right here. Stat edit, we'll clear the stat list first. -9 for X, -7. No, not -7. That's for Y. -9, -7, and -7 for X. For your Y's, you can add -7 for the Y, -4, -4, -7. This one here looks like a square. It looks like, if you look at it, it looks like it corners on it. But you know, it's not linear, not a function, because on it, you see when these lines go vertically across it, goes to another point, touch another point, so it's not a function. So that's no as well. And this could be done on non-graphing. Well, you want a graphing one so you can still, if you represent, see if there are same non-graphing ones won't be able to tell you. So a graphing calculator will be really handy for doing calculations like this. So since you plot points, have the calculator plot them for you. The stat plot up here, then you go into these here, you can enter in the list the number of the points that you want to plot, and it will display them on the graph. Like that. And as you see, this goes across from each other, so these are not linear. Not a function, I mean. Why you call it linear? It might be linear, but it might be a function. The name's saying that. So anyway, there you go. So now you know how to do it. So thanks for watching. Hope you like it.